Hey, what's going on, everybody? In this video, we'll go over the process and steps on how to pass KYC on Deribit Exchange. It's a fairly simple process, so without further ado, let's dive in. First thing you want to do is create a new account on Deribit if you don't already have one. In my case, I already have an account, so I'm going to log in, where I'm greeted with the front page, aka the dashboard. Here, you can see various information such as total account value, account names, user ID, and so on. On the top right, you'll see a yellow icon with an exclamation mark indicating that your KYC is not complete. Let's click on that. It will take you to the verification page where you'll be asked what type of account you want to register. We're going to select Individual Account. On the next screen, we'll enter our personal information: name, last name, country of birth, nationality, date of birth, and address. And then click Next. After that, it will ask us to fill in our financial profile, where we provide details about our financial and employment status. Let's fill that in and click Next. On this page, we'll need to complete the Investor Classification section. This determines what trading instruments and leverage limits Deribit can offer you. Let's go ahead and do that. Next page is the ID verification. You'll need a valid passport. Click Start Verification Process. This will take you to the next page, where you'll either upload or take a picture of your passport's front page and verify yourself via biometric recognition. You can do this using a mobile phone, or you can use the same device you're currently on, a laptop in my case, to take a picture of the passport or simply upload a file. Let's upload a file. Once it verifies the uploaded file, the next step will be a biometric scan of your face. All right, the last and final step is proof of residence. For this step, you can choose from various types of documents to upload. Let's select a utility bill and click Start Verification. Upload the required document and click Continue. It may take a few minutes to process your submission. Once that's done, congratulations! You've officially passed KYC and are ready to begin your options trading journey with Deribit.